Hi beauties, it's June Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. Just wanted to tell you that I have new grab bag boxes available, and I also have new stamps on the stamps for sale. So go to beautyandthestamper.com and check it out. Let me go ahead and show you inside this box. Well, this one's sealed up, but listen to all the goodies that are in there. There could be stuff like glitter, some little clips there. There could be some new in-package stuff still. I mean, I just have tons and tons of crafting items that could very well be in your box. Every box is different, but wanted to just show you that it is available. So click on the Beauty and the Stamper button. I'll also put the button down below. If you are watching on YouTube, just check in the description. Otherwise, go to beautyandthestamper.com. For my retired stamps, go to retired stamps for sale. And for the priority boxes, just look in the new post. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.